Hello everyone, this is Carolyn from grade 7S. Before starting my presentation, let me tell you a few words on the importance of grammar. Grammar is a language system which allows words to change their form and their order in a sentence and combines them with other words in a novel form. It helps us in verbal communication and in effective writing system. Now that you know the importance of grammar, let's know about adjectives, its types and its uses. The first one. Let's take two examples. These flowers are beautiful and I had a great day. In the first one, the word beautiful is describing the word flowers, and in the second one, the word great is describing the word day. These two are adjectives. Therefore, we can say that an adjective describes a noun or tells us more about the noun. Now let's look at two types of adjectives. There are 6 types of adjectives. Let's tell them one by one. The first one is adjective of quality. Let's take an example. The responsible caretaker acted promptly. In this sentence, the word caretaker shows us that the caretaker was responsible. It shows us the quality of the caretaker. So, an adjective which describes the quality of a place, people or thing is known as adjective of quality. The second one is adjective of quantity. It tells us how much of a thing is being referred to. Let's take an example. Imagine you woke up in the morning and you want to ask your mother for milk. How would you ask her? Mom, can I have some milk? Yes, that's how you'll ask her. In this sentence, the word some is an adjective of quantity. It tells us how much milk we want. Next, the third one is adjectives of number. Let me ask you a question. How many videos are you watching now? 1, right? Here the word 1 is an adjective of number. An adjective which tells us the number of people, places or things is known as an adjective of number. Next, the fourth one is demonstrative adjective. It tells us which thing is being referred to. There are 4 types of words in demonstrative adjectives. This, that, these and those. The examples are: this is a beautiful vase, that is one of my favorite books, those are oranges, these are apples. Fifth one is, now let's take a look at a sentence. My mother's birthday is coming soon. Here the word my is a possessive adjective, an adjective that tells us about possessiveness or ownership. Finally, the last one is interrogative adjective. Here it uses a noun and asks the question of anything. Suppose, what is the time? Here the word what is an interrogative adjective. It asks the question of what. Now that you know the types of adjectives, let's look into the uses of adjectives. In speech, it can be used to describe the shape of something, the taste, the smell, the color of something. Next, and in modern life, it adds important flavor to the sentences and makes it more meaningful and understandable. Next. Hope you have found this presentation very useful. Always continue to learn more about grammar. Thank you.